Hey guys, we're here at round 2 of the Southern Indiana Grand Prix series here at EV Motoplex. As you can see, the youth is on the track right now. The course looks, woo! The track looks absolutely perfect. I'm gonna walk some of it. The track is really, really good. It's gonna be fun. So here's some race footage or riding footage from here at this awesome backyard track, and I'll make a little outro when this video's over. So thank you guys for tuning in. Here's Hannah coming. Come on here and kind of end my last vlog from the Grand Prix. I only vlogged for like 3 seconds, and then just my parents and friends filmed a bunch of videos. But today, as you can see, we're at a really cool backyard track. Thanks to a friend that had us out. Here you go. You can kind of see it all. It's a pretty awesome track. Decided to get a little different kind of training and get some motos in. Me and Matt are out here. I got my Husky out. This thing is so much fun. The beta's pretty soft. And then here's Matt's piece of art. But we're having fun, and I'll show you guys some videos here in a minute. Here's Matt's wife Hannah on her Pegasus electric bike. We call it Peggy. Here she goes. Woo! This has been such a fun day. Like there's some pretty fast guys, and there's kids, there's everybody. It's just a whole walk of life. But thank you guys for tuning into my videos lately. I'm almost to 1 million views, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I'll put this video, kind of mash it up with the Grand Prix video and make one big vlog. So thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.